Have you ever wished you could hear a loved one speak again? With AI, you can transform an old photograph of a deceased family member into a talking photo using their image and a voice recording. In this video, I'll show you how to create a talking photo of a deceased person using Zoice, step by step, while keeping the result respectful and natural. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to zoice.com. Once you're on the homepage, click Sign In or try Zoice to access the login page. If you already have an account, enter your email address and password to sign in. You can also continue using your Google account for quicker access. Since I already have an account, I'll simply continue with Google. If you're new to Zoice, click Sign Up. Enter your name, email address, and password, or create your account directly with Google. Once your account is created, you can access the dashboard and start creating your AI videos. Since I already have an account, I'll go back and sign in. After signing in, you'll arrive on the dashboard. From the left-hand sidebar, click Avatar Characters. This is where you can create and manage all of your custom avatars. Now click Create New. Here, you'll have the option to upload your own image or generate a new character using an AI prompt. Since we're working with an old photograph, I'll choose Upload Image. Now give your avatar a name and upload the old photograph. For better results, try to use a photo where the person's face is clearly visible and facing toward the camera. Once the image is uploaded, click Generate Avatar. Wait a few moments while Zoice creates the avatar. Once the avatar is ready, you'll see it inside the Avatar Characters section. Click on the avatar you just created. From here, we're ready to create the talking video. Now click Generate Video. This opens the video generation workspace. You can create a video using a written script or your own audio. Since I want the photo to speak using an audio recording, I'll use my prepared audio. Select Generate from Audio. This option allows us to upload an audio file and use it to animate the avatar. I'll upload the audio recording I want the photo to speak. Zoice will use this audio to synchronize the person's mouth and facial movements with the voice. Once the audio has been uploaded, click Output. First, choose your aspect ratio. For a vertical video, I'll select 9:16. Next, select your preferred video resolution. Now click Action Prompt. Here, you can control how the person moves while speaking. You can write your own prompt or select one of the suggested options. For this memorial video, I'll keep the movements subtle and natural. Once you've chosen your prompt, click Add Action. Before generating the video, check all of your settings one more time. Make sure you've uploaded the correct audio, selected the right aspect ratio and resolution, and added your preferred action prompt. If everything looks correct, click Generate. After clicking Generate, Zoice will first create an audio preview. Click Play and listen to make sure the audio is correct. If you're happy with the preview, click Generate Avatar Video. Zoice will now begin creating your talking photo video. Depending on your audio length and video settings, it may take a few moments to complete. Once processing is finished, your talking photo will be ready. Now click Play and preview the generated video. Check the lip sync, facial expressions, and overall animation. If everything looks good, click Download to save the video. And that's it. We've turned an old photograph into a talking video using Zoice and an audio recording. This can be a meaningful way to preserve memories and create a personal memorial video. Let's watch the final result.
Hello, it's wonderful to be remembered. Life is made of precious moments, so cherish the people you love and keep those memories close to your heart. Thank you for keeping my memory alive.
And that's how you can create a talking photo of a deceased loved one using Zoice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.